Today I'm going to show you how to use the set screen button, which is this. Now for this you're going to have to use different screens, of course, because you have to set it different screens. You could put whatever color you want. I'm going to make this red. Then I'm going to make this other one, why did I go back there, black. So then I'm going to put a button next, called next. Just you can type whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. This is just a reference. Okay, and then go to code. Get this out. We're gonna use a on event because we need to use a function. So the function is you click the button, and then it will use the set screen, and then we'll use screen 2. So this is gonna happen. So what's gonna happen is this function will you click, and then if you click next, it will set the screen to screen 2. So if you press this, it would set it to screen 2. Anyways, so that's how you use the set screen button. Now we're not only going to use the set screen button. We're also going to use the get number. So what we're going to do? Okay, I already have an example of how you can use like set screen by this. Like you can make a quiz, and then one, the, and then but it takes a lot of time. Of course, it does. Take a lot of time to put all of this here. What just happened? I don't know what just happened. It just did that. Now we go back here. We're going to be learning how to use a you can do whatever you want with this. Okay, so now we're going to see how to use the get number. We're going to like go to a project for a sec. Let's just say it's this one. This project. So for this project, it's like a calculator. It calculates the area. So this is what's gonna happen. This is the label. This is the text input. This is the button which we will use to get the input and then put it in the output. But we have to use a background which is calculate. So how to get the area? You have to multiply it with itself. So let's say this. We have to use 12. 12 times 12 is 144. And then 12 times 4 is 48. How I know this? Because I calculated it before. So if I put 4, it's going to show 16 for both of them because it's the same thing. You could use 4 to test if it works. So this is the output 1, this is output 2, this is just label. And then for the code, we use 2 on events. 2 on events. As you can see, we use 2 on events. 1, 2. Now I'm just going to make this simple. Make a button here. Text input. 2 labels. Now I need to make this a little bigger, because otherwise who's using this cannot see anything at all. Where's the text font? Let's make this a little bigger, because why not? Okay, this is how it's gonna work. So this is the button. we're going to make the function so that you click the button. And this is what we're going to use. We're going to use get number because we're trying to get the number to calculate it. So I want to use get number. Wait, no, actually, it's set number. It's set number and then get number. Oh yeah, you have to use math. Okay, whatever. So we're gonna use math instead because I got a little confused. We have to use the multiply operator. Then we gotta go to the UI controls, go to get number. And then we have to like multiply by itself. So we're just gonna use the same thing. Text it. Now we run it. See if it works. I don't care. We are going to test it. The good thing to use to test this is number 4. Because then it would be 4 times 4. Which would be what's working? I forgot. Guys, I forgot something. Okay, reset run. So now we're gonna use 4, which is gonna have to put 16. Now for the next one, we're gonna use the same button because you have to use the same button. And then we're gonna use the set number again. Set number. This one we're gonna use label too. For the math, we're gonna use multiply again. And then for this one, we're gonna use get number. Text input 1 times 4. This one's gonna put it down here. So if you press this, so press run. 4. It should both display 16. You could do this however you want. You can test it to what? So if you go to design, you can put a label here. You can put a placeholder. Enter number here. Her number. Yeah. So you can change the width, you can change the border radius, you can change the border width, you can change the text alignment, which just puts it to the center. You can change the font size. You can make this a little big, like don't make it too big, or else it would, do this, because it does that. So the problem with doing this is because it does this kind of thing. Don't put it too high. This is what it look like if it's 500. So now if you press run, it just looks like that. And then it goes like, what is this? So 12 looks like that. It's kind of weird. You should not do that. Because the design is horrible if you do that. So let's just lower that. Let's just make the font size a little lower. What am I making it lower? Where's the font size? Okay, I'm just gonna lower this down so that we can actually see what we're doing. This is gonna take a while. Yeah, just don't make it too much, because this is what it looks like if you make it too much. Something like this is okay, I guess. Like 15, 13, 20, 20, 20, 20. Yeah, 20. 20 works. You can make this whatever you want. You can change the background for the screen color. I'm just gonna change it black because why not? Wait, no, that's weird. Just do that. I don't know. And hope you enjoyed, and hopefully this helps you. And if this does not help you, and that you have questions, comment down below. You can make a lot of stuff with this, like this. So this actually works if you didn't know. Okay, this actually takes a while to load because there's a lot of stuff in this. So for the next thing we're gonna learn how to use the Play Lab. Some stuff of the Play Lab. How do you use the Play Lab? Oh, it's very not too hard, I guess. You go to projects, view all projects, view full list. There's the Play Lab. I already have some projects I'm working on, stories. You can do game scores, variables, functions. A lot of stuff you can do with PlayLab. You can play with it. That's why it's called PlayLab, because why not? So press run. And I'm wondering why it's not working. Okay, there you go. It works now. And if you get it wrong, it displays something like I already know all the answers. I was about to click the wrong answer. I can't go forward with this question because this thing keeps popping up. Wait, what's the right answer for this question? Okay, reset. Which one was that? I didn't work on this project for a while now. That's why I forgot all the answers. Question 10, question 10. Where's that? There's a button here. Let me go there once again. Run. Play. For this, you don't need to reset to play again because I put a button where you can go back to the main screen. Um, so, I can't do this. Can't complete this. Anyways, if you press the wrong button, it goes to this. You press this, and then there. And I took forever to do this. I don't know. Facial text, I don't know how to use text. Just looks like this. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. Hope this is helpful for you. And if it's not helpful and you still have questions, type it in the comment section down below. And bye.